Hey guys, this is Dennis. I'm a bike mechanic. In this video, I would like to show you two interesting things. First is defect broken chain on a mid-drive motor and the motor by itself. So this is the chain. You see those things here. This one. All those links are sign of improper shifting, and eventually this link that broke off it happened when you try to jump from one cog to another, from the lower to a higher cog, and the tooth is bending out the chain with applying too much pressure. For instance, here, that's very clearly, you can see here, this one, the link is barely alive. Okay, and the second thing, I'm going to show you disassembled Bafang motor. Why did I do it? That's a brand new 120mm bottom bracket for the fat bike, and we bought it for this fat tad, but we've ordered, since that's a fat bike, we thought that we would get a 120mm bottom bracket, but eventually it works with a standard 68mm. So I had here a broken motor, and I had to swap the parts onto the old frame. So as you can see, everything is, see those scratches, but inside everything is brand new. So these are old parts basically, and I'll show you how they built here. Okay, this is the rotor and a starter. Really tight magnets. Rotor goes here, then you put it here, but you need to do it in some exactly way, which I honestly don't know yet. And wires are going, okay, the wires are going like this sequence, and it's going this way. Wait, no, not this way. Here we go. Well, this motor is already broken. Something is wrong with the electronics. So I just assemble it together. And here you can see the little ball bearings on this side. And here we do the rollers there instead of ball bearings. This is, so the motor is spinning this chainring conical, and a small cog is coming here. Here, this is a magnetic ring, and here is the receiver for magnets. So everything together. Oh no, missed, and that's it. Okay, that's mechanical part, and that's controller, 3 wires for motor. That's this one. This cable goes to the motor. This cable goes to the pedal sensor. And basically that's it. And then let's roll. Yeah, so since this motor is no good, I'll just keep it disassembled. This big guy I'm gonna build and finish. But yeah, the guy brought. I must say that this chain doesn't belong to this motor. This guy came in yesterday. His daughter has a high bike, and she's doing some mountain biking, and her chain just snapped. So you must apply really much force and not really care about the chain to have those issues. That is it. Thanks for watching.